Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this video, we will create a simple checkbox control. In the HTML form, we have a checkbox input type. So this is our sample HTML, and inside the div we are having a form tag. So this will have all the input elements. Here we have a input of type checkbox, and we kept ID as chk1. The label tag with for attribute assigns a label to the checkbox. And if you see here, we are using the another input type label, and here for attribute that is pointing to the ID of the checkbox. That means this label is for the checkbox chk1 and the label is vegetarian. The label tag with for attribute assigns a label to the checkbox, right? So to this checkbox we are assigning the label vegetarian, and this for attribute is pointing to the ID of the checkbox. In the script in the sense, here we are talking about the JavaScript that is accessing the JQueryUI API. In the script, the call to checkboxradio transforms the HTML checkbox to stylized JQuery checkbox. And if you see, this is our script tag open and the script tab is ending. And within this script tag, we are making use of the jQuery $document ready, right? Inside, if you see chk1, as chk1 is the selector, we are selecting the checkbox with the ID chk1. After that, we are making call on that DOM element. The call is checkboxradio. So this will transition this checkbox as a jQuery checkbox. Now let's go to the demo and see how the visual appearance is changing by applying the jQuery UI API. Now let's go to the demo. Alright, here we are inside the samples. Now we'll create a new file and we will name it as checkbox example 01. So here you can see our HTML is ready. First we are referring the style sheet, then we are referring the jQuery API, and third we are referring the jQuery UI API, right? We haven't yet written any script. Here we have a HTML form that contains the checkbox. So this is the default appearance of the checkbox. Let's see how it looks when we run. Right, that's the default behavior of the checkbox under the Edge browser. Now we will add the JavaScript code to convert this checkbox as a jQuery UI checkbox. If you see, here we have the script tag, and inside the $document we are getting the checkbox, this input type, right? Using the $chk1 we are getting this checkbox. Then we are making call to checkboxradio function, right? This one is the jQuery UI API function. Alright, now we will run and debug this. So here we are not seeing any difference, right? That means Okay, our path is not right. Now we will refer the correct path to this Flick theme, JQuery UI themes folder, Flick theme, and we will take this jQuery.css. Now, since we are referring the correct theme, now if you run, you can see the visual change in appearance. Now the font is somewhat bigger, right? So now we turned the checkbox into the jQuery API checkbox. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.